Hi everybody, it's Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2022 Mercedes-Benz C-Class C300 4MATIC. This vehicle for sale comes in a gray exterior with a black interior, sunroof, blind spot assist. We've got power, memory, heated seats, both driver and passenger. See the controls here, door controls. This vehicle is also equipped with the premium Burmester sound system upgrade. Driver's seat with lumbar support, steering wheel. Take a look at rear seats. Quick peek up at the front of the vehicle. Coming around to the back, we've got our C300 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk, push button to close. Let's go ahead and hop inside the vehicle. Mileage currently at 9,030. With a push button ignition. This nice wood grain accent trim, as well as LED ambient lighting in this vehicle. Got this huge touchscreen display, radio, backup camera. Also access your climate controls. And we have some various comforts, settings, seat kinetics, as well as adjusting the ambient lighting. Below that, cup holder, wireless charging for a cell phone, and shifter. Now, if you're interested in additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.